Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another brand new video in our channel Amazing Warrior, and in this video I will show you how to give a video under a text. It's not like a text giving video, it will be just like this. To do this you have to learn Microsoft PowerPoint a little bit, but I will show it in the tutorial, and it's going to be really awesome tutorial because you can play a video under a text, so the video will move within the text. So without any further talk, let's start the tutorial. Okay, before adding a text, first I am opening my Microsoft PowerPoint and hope this software is already installed in your computer. Okay, and I show lots of tutorial on using Microsoft PowerPoint like a pro. Okay, so first I am going to Insert tab, and from here go to Word Art and choose the simplest one. And now I will type a text in here, like I am typing our channel short name GGT, and here from Home tab I am choosing a text font like Impact. And now I will increase this one just by clicking on this icon. Okay, and now I will change it to yellow. You can keep it red or black, anything, any color, but I keep here yellow. It's not a big deal, you just need a color. Okay, now go to File, click on Export, and export this image to your destination file and click on Save. Okay, now go to Filmora and drag a video in your timeline like this one, and now insert the picture that you make in Microsoft PowerPoint. Just insert into here, then drag it to here just like this and make it a bit larger like this, and select this one, right click on it, click on split and delete this one. Okay, and if I keep it here, then just watch few portion of this video. Okay, and if I keep it to here, it will be like this. Okay, so I will keep my text in here, picture in here, and now go to right click on this one, go to green screen, and now choose this one, make parts of the clip transparent. Okay, and selecting this one here is black selected, but now I will choose yellow. Okay, and you can keep your transparency level like this or this. Okay, so I keep it in 30 or 40. Just keep your eyes in here, and this is how you can easily add video in your text. And now I will make two different pictures like here. Select all of our text, go to Format, go to Text Outline and choose any color, like here I'm choosing black. Again go to Text Outline and choose the weight level to, I am choosing 6 pixel. Okay, and you can also change the text font. For this, select the text, go to here and choose your font, like here I am choosing Nike Combat. Actually I download this font Nike Combat. You can easily download this font from thefont.com. Okay, so I will export it to my destination file. Okay, now insert your text file in Filmora, and now I will insert this picture in here and drag it to here. Again click on here, right click on it, go to end screen, and from here just check this one. Here black is selected, that's why this black is gone, and a few portion of my video is not showing here, you see. But I will select yellow from here and intensity level to like this. Okay, click on OK and just play this one. Hello, sorry for interrupt. For watching more of our videos, check the link I have written here. Okay, and I will add another text font in here, like name baby blocks, and decrease the text size to like this. Keep it here, and I will add a picture in my background, and for this I already downloaded lots of picture. Like here I am inserting this one, and just select, drag it to here, right click on it, click on center back. Okay, and now I will export my picture. Click on export, change file type, JPEG. I personally like this font, and save it to here. And now import your picture in your Filmora media file, and I will delete this one and drag it to here and keep it like this. Okay, and now select this one, right click on it, go to end screen, select this one, and from here choose yellow and click on OK, and just watch this one. And this is how you can easily place a video in a text in the video editing software wondershare Filmora. And that's all about this video.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and hope you understand all this video. And if you don't understand any part of this video, then please leave a comment what you don't understand. Feel free to leave a comment whatever it is. It might be a positive or negative, or it might be a suggestion, or if you don't understand, obviously you would say us. So see you again in the next video, and make sure you have subscribed our channel Amazing Warrior.